you recognize where your mind is going? Do you know if it's ever gonna stop? We were keeping quiet and minding orders. Now we're feeling more like rebellion. Don't run, don't fight, even if it don't feel right. No fight, no life. Now I'm second guessing if I should stay here, doing what I'm told until it hurts. Or should I make clear I'm alive and I know I deserve to be human? Do you feel like someone is playing puppet? Like the words from your mouth are in a script? Ever get an itch to leave the place you're staying? Ever hear a voice yelling from within? To go, run, go, fight. Promise you it won't feel right. But no fight, no life. Now I'm second guessing if I should stay here,